Welcome to Let Red Do It, and let's get to it.
We have this battery from one of the scooter. You see it's messed up right here. It's a little bit bent and everything. So I want to try to get it, you know. If I don't fix it like this, like if I don't glue it back, then it's not going to go, it will go in, right? But then it will be able to rock. And one time we had this problem before with both batteries. And my husband went on what was it, the train track?
Yeah.
And a train started to come. It was like the scariest thing ever. My kids actually had to put him in manual and like push him off the train track. And then a cop seen it and he decided to stop and help fix it so they can get the rest of the way home. So anyway, I'm gonna try to glue it. I'm gonna use this glue and see how that works. And I got some tweezers. I'll show you why. Let me get all this stuff up here. Yeah, hopefully this glue works. I've already used it for this. So I'm just gonna see if it works. Okay. So what happened was, the black one was already messed up. But today, I went out to go put the scooter together and actually dropped the battery. When I dropped the battery, it hit this battery. So I dropped the other battery, it hit this battery, and then this white one broke off. So I'm like, oh, I need to fix it. If we can get set in there. It's iffy. There we go.
No! Yeah!
Okay. It's not the best glue job, that's for sure. I'm curious to see if it works. This other part broke off as well. Alright. So we're just gonna leave that there and not hit it. Okay. And let me show it to you. Alright, so when it broke in there, sorry, there's a little purse lady here. Kids. Anyway, so when it broke in there, it was like right here. And this one was easy to pull out. This black one right here was real easy to pull out. You see, because it was right in this section right here. But this one, not so much. So I'm going to just take some tweezers and try to get out. There we go. Oh. You want to do that when it's unplugged and not powered on as well. I wonder if it'll make a difference if I clean it a little bit. Alright. Now this one, I don't know if it was as clean of a break because like I said, I knocked it and then it came off. We're gonna try it. If I can get anything out. This glue is typically used for cell phones to glue them back together. Like after you get like your battery changed or your screen repaired, you would use this glue to put your screen back on or put your back on back glass back on, stuff like. Well, actually, no, back glass they have something else for that. But like if you have like a regular plastic back, you would use this glue to glue around it, and then you would put it back on, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then that's it. And then of course to get back in, heat. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it here overnight, and then I'm gonna see if I like this stick it, and I'm gonna see if it did anything, if it actually worked, or if it's gonna fall off again. It's gonna be real iffy because I need a strong glue because it's gonna have to stick in there, and so of course it's gonna wiggle this. So, alright, hopefully it works. Alright, it's the next day. It's not breaking off as soon as I touch it. Let's try to plug it in. Now we're going to plug it in.
Mara, where you at?
Oh, it's in. Alright. Should I unplug it? Oh, it's still together. Yay. Okay. Good. Fully charged.
Bye.
Bye.